Maha Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge. She is very clear. Only if you decide, she will put you in ignorance, not otherwise. Putting yourself in ignorance is out of your will. You are never pushed into ignorance. Listen. The 5 actions: creating, maintaining, destroying, putting in ignorance and liberating. In these 5 actions, this putting in ignorance, you do it by your own. These 3, creation, maintenance, destruction. These 3 Mahadeva does from his cosmic form. Putting in ignorance, you do it on your own. Giving liberation, he assumes the form of Guru. Yes to the ignorance is not by anybody else, it is you. Go back and see, when was the first time you said yes to ignorance? Dig out the few patterns when first time you said yes to ignorance, and when all you started developing the pattern of saying yes to ignorance. Complete with them and break those patterns. Suddenly you will see, it is not that you will know only what you study, read. No. Suddenly multiple dimensions you will be knowing. Last few days, I am sitting and designing and redesigning the syllabus, redeveloping all the programs. I am upgrading all the programs with this 2 scale. It should be authenticated by Shastras, validated by the modern science. Every statement we make in our programs, every concept, theory, truth we teach in our programs, every action we ask you to do in our programs will be validated by the Shastras, the traditional Vedic scriptures, and will be validated by the modern day science. One of the biggest difficulty we found is science has not yet evolved to the level of spirituality, but we will evolve it. What is there? We only have to do that job also. I am sitting with some of my Sri Mahants, devotees, Mahants, and dictating the syllabus. One of my Sri Mahants was telling me, Swamiji, really I am surprised how much you know. Your intelligence is unmatching. And he was telling, if somebody comes and talks to you about the politics, you know the nitty-gritty and even the names of every individual who did what. And when you sit and give the quotations about the Shastras and Upanishads, you know the nitty-gritty of where, in which shelf the book is there to, which page you have to open and which line is the verse. Please understand, I have not earned this in a linear way. Knowledge is never linear. When you say yes to knowledge, you just break the ignorance which is linear. Ignorance is linear, knowledge is always vertical. It's just multidimensional. If you just penetrate the layer of the ignorance, suddenly the whole thing will be available to you. If you know about one handful of clay, You will know everything about the clay everywhere, anywhere in the world. If you just know few mental setups and source patterns, not root patterns, understand? Root patterns always makes you powerless. Source patterns always makes you powerful. The source patterns, root pattern means you say no to knowledge and develop that as a pattern, continue to suffer your whole life, become powerless. That is root pattern. Source pattern means you will learn how the world says no to knowledge and suffers forever, and have the solution to break that pattern. That is source pattern. Source pattern always empowers you. Knowledge about the source pattern empowers you. Root pattern just makes you powerless. Actually, ignorance about root pattern makes you powerless. When you have a knowledge about the root pattern, you will learn the source pattern. You will understand the source patterns of life. If you know the source patterns, you just know everything. Everything. So Upanishads are introducing yourself to yourself as you are ever pure space, devoid of the dirt of ignorance. So if you think you are ignorant, you are cognizing yourself opposite to what Upanishads declares you as you. That is not true. Sit and dig out the patterns. What makes you feel other than what Upanishad declares you as you? If you cognize yourself as Upanishad declares you, you are wise. Otherwise, you are otherwise. If you cognize yourself as Upanishad declares you, you are wise or otherwise.